I wanna do is see you turn into a Super Saiyan, a Super Saiyan. All I wanna see is a simply a Super Saiyan.
Alright. Back at it again with opening more stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, dash packs first. This is the last one.
You go first.
I know that. Yeah.
Oh, Vegito. Okay.
Sorry. There we go. Vegito. I know where that one's going.
Alright, here we go. Mine. These always suck.
Be nice to it now.
What?
Oh, what is it? What is it?
What? And we got a cell.
Ah.
That's okay. That's not too bad. Not too terrible.
Alright. So again, starting with the Zamasu pack, because I hate Zamasu with a fiery passion. Naturally. Alright. Let's put that on somewhere.
Ooh, okay.
Forget, did you need those or no?
I do need those. I do need those. Thank you.
Seriously, every foil I've pulled so far on this thing is yours now.
Not everything.
That's whatever. We had a
Not
decent
everything.
trade.
Yeah. Alright, let's do this.
So off
Ooh,
screen.
that's a good tear. Good tear.
Yeah, off screen we traded. I got his SBR because I needed it in my deck. He's never going to use it.
Fuba!
Fuba. What is it? Ah!
I got a Goku. Goku!
Alright. Again.
Pardon my reach.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that.
My Fuba! And another Goku.
I feel like I'm way too far up. We gotta start moving it down here.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. That's why I said sweet spot. Sweet spot. Ooh, this one feels a little thick. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I don't know. Let's see. Look at that. It's 2 for 2 right there. A good tear. Good tear.
Dose for dose.
Good tear.
The burp.
The burp.
You got a burp.
And
I
I thought another SPR.
What the hell?
Oh, bummer.
This man pulling all the SBRs.
It's okay.
Go. Ow. Seriously, what is with all these damn leaders?
Man, that's what they are. They're leaders. They gotta lead.
There we go. I guess.
Let's see. Let's try this one. Oh, trying to go for 3.
3 for 3.
Yeah, I mean the tear was decent. Let's see.
Oh, there it was.
Let's see.
Thank you. And you're welcome.
Oh, Majin Vegeta.
There you go. Back-to-back Majin Vegetas, me and you. There we go.
Ooh, that was a good tear.
That was a beautiful tear.
There's your cooler.
There we go. Need those.
Honey. Money.
Ah, every time.
Every time.
These over here.
Ooh, look at that. Clean cut.
Mr. Clean.
Got a boo. Well, I see some gold. Oh, look, there's the cooler. It's all you.
Yeah, it is.
Uh-oh.
Are those not the cooler? Ooh.
There we go, an SR.
Dang.
Another SR cooler.
I guess you can make your own meta cooler deck since
I
I'm
guess I
already
can
good.
now.
Don't care.
And sell. I think I have 4. I think.
We're gonna just
hold on to it for now.
I'll sleeve it regardless.
Yeah, I think I have 4. So we'll see. We'll see when it comes time to building a deck.
Trade.
Ooh, look at that. That's a good cut.
Sleeve's way over there.
And a Go Tanks. There we go. Good job.
Do you have 4 already?
I don't know yet. If I do, you can have that one.
Well, yeah, because you took all the other ones.
I think I took 1 or 2 from here.
That's pathetic. Spirit Fingers! No. Yes.
Cooler.
I see something shiny. Oh. Every time. Whatever, at least I got my coolers.
Yep.
Pretty sure I hit my limit on coolers. Probably not. Wouldn't mind getting more.
Your limit? I thought you said you need like 21 or something.
Yeah, something like that. Haven't counted.
Ooh, King Cold. King Cold.
That was a beautiful cut. A cut. Whatever.
Well, I missed it, so I guess I'll have to watch it in the video.
Yeah, you will.
Okay.
That one feels thick.
$1.50 SR.
I'm okay with that. That's $1.50 I didn't have in my pocket.
Alright, let's see.
Upside down.
And the Goku.
Oh man, I am just burping today.
Bless you.
Had some Mexican food. It was good. I can open this pack. TN.
TN.
Ooh, not.
Yeah, this is 6 plus.
Seriously, that is just like a. This is just a letdown.
Come on, baby.
Dokkan battle, go on!
That's not the LR one, huh?
No,
it's not. The LR one is the one that looks. Yamcha.
Oh,
Yeah.
not
Let that Gohan.
How many?
Need one more now. One more, and I got a play set.
Oh god. Spirit fingers.
Xeno button. Probably the best card in there.
Probably.
That one, and then maybe that Goku.
I think I already have a place on that Goku.
I'm
Pretty
sure
sure I do.
I'm sure we do.
I'm sure we haven't pulled any tokens.
So,
Oh, there you go.
I don't think the set comes with just token.
That's weird though.
I don't think so.
Of course. Lame. Zamasu.
Zamasu.
Or people. Zamasu.
Zamasu.
Still think it's a Masu. I don't care what any of you say.
I don't know, we'll see. Jiren! Fist of Justice.
I was like, what is it, Captain Falcon?
That's what it says. It says Jiren, Fist of Justice.
Seriously, 2 leader cards? Watch this last one be a leader card. Oh my god.
That'd have been so funny.
That would have been horrible.
That'd have been awesome. What are you talking about?
God, organizing these cards tonight is gonna be a pain.
Zen-O. Yamcha! And a leader.
And the leader. Such a letdown.
Yeah, those feel like you get ripped every time.
I know. Or at least make the leaders a little bit harder to get.
Yeah.
I feel like it would be better that way.
I'm excited for these promo leaders to come out.
Promo leaders, there you go.
Yeah, in the draft pack. Yeah, the Majin Vegeta, the Gotenks.
Should we do a draft pack one time?
I don't know. We could. Let's see. Draft against each other.
Worth it.
Yeah, that Majin Vegeta. Boom.
Speaking of Vegeta.
Yep.
Alright guys, moving on to
Halfway done. Halfway done.
Trunks. Or as many people like to say, Trunks. Okay.
Okay.
Every time I see the Super Saiyan 3 Goku, I just automatically assume the promo. I know it's not promos. I know. Oh, I know.
Ooh, good cut. Good cut. Good cut.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
Jesus.
dude. And a cooler. Look at that. That's cool.
Than you. Look at that guy. That's beautiful.
I don't know. You're not doing it on the screen, so people can't see it.
Oh, you're right.
So it never happened. And SR Gohan. Nice. That card looks so cool.
It does, but it's just, not that rare.
I mean, it's an SR, so
Is it an SR?
it is an
For
SR.
some reason I thought it was a rare.
No,
Shows how much I pay attention, okay?
you don't see all the gold on it.
I see gold.
All the SRs have like some form of bedazzled gold.
Oh, my back.
Rose!
Oh,
Rose!
you have more than a playset now. Give me mine back.
Let me verify that first, and then if we do, or if I do have a playset, you can have the one I got from you back.
The one. And only.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh, come on.
Chill.
Sorry. I don't even know if I was showing it on the screen perfectly.
Ooh, you guys see that cut?
Just tell them no.
Of course they did. 10 minutes, 37 seconds. That's what happened.
I think 10 minutes.
Mafuba! Cooler. Take that bit.
Yeah, I will. Hear that he called me big.
And Vegito.
I think I have a playset, but
I don't know, we'll find out.
verify it. I'm not gonna sleep it this time though.
Because it's mine, right?
Yeah, pretty much. See, that was a decent cut.
Did it happen on the screen?
Yes.
Did it?
I don't know. I'm not paying attention. I'm just assuming this is all hitting the screen.
Ooh!
That's what I'm talking about.
That's pretty tight.
Isn't it the SPR? No. No. Dope though. Sleeve in that son of a bitch.
So now you have 3.
And I need one more. Uno mas. I'm out of sleeves, so I'm gonna.
Aww. Dang, you keep stealing my sleeves, man.
Don't worry, I'll figure it all out afterwards.
And a cell.
Yeah, you got your soap. See? There, happy it was on screen.
There we go, guys.
Finally, there's a bug on my light.
11 minutes, 45 seconds.
Seriously. Ooh. Damn.
That's me, y'all. You guys want to see that?
Yeah, wanna see? Wanna see?
That's mine.
Wanna see what he pulled for me?
That's mine right there.
It's okay.
That's how I feel every time with these freaking Vegitos. So far, I'm the only one that has pulled the cell.
Yeah.
Well, aside from that other day, the promo box or the promo pack,
yeah.
you did pull the cell.
But that wasn't on camera.
Frieza! That was not on camera. Damn.
Ooh, look at that.
Getting better at that.
Saucy. The Ball of Justice. Ooh,
Kale.
got my kale.
Boom, you got 2.
Yeah, I do.
I need a second one.
I know you do. As long as I have one, I don't care. Maybe I'll give it to you. Maybe.
You guys hear that? You guys hear that?
Maybe. Keyword. M-K-Y-E-E. I do love my kale, though. I do love my kale. Just put that up there. Ooh, boy, we're on to the Vegito
This
packs.
is a Masu.
We got 5 more packs each, and a dash pack. Aw, I was about to be like, I got another God pack! But just kidding.
Frieza.
Lame.
Every time it's like, I don't want to rip the cards. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Could have been better.
Could have been better. It was slow and methodical. What are you talking about?
So majestic.
Yamcha!
MVP.
And SS3. SS3 Goku!
Spirit is.
Money Man. Right there, Money Man.
Yamcha MVP.
There's another boo
there
for
you
you.
go. That's number 3.
That's 3?
That's 3, bro. That's all I'm pulling. Love the art, though.
Yeah, it's pretty cool art.
Love the art. Yeah, what do we got? Oh, it's
The Vegeta.
For some reason, I thought it was a secret right? Just the blue part. So I was like, oh god! That was pathetic on my part.
Oh, well, man. You may have a secret rare in there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you don't.
I don't. I already see it.
I think it's a cell. Oh, no, it's Vegeta. Okay.
If it was a cell, I would have already handed it off to you.
This guy. So generous.
Down to the last bit of it.
The Trunks.
Lame. Ooh. That was pretty.
Leader card.
I bet you it is. Would not surprise me.
Just kidding, just kidding. I don't know, I didn't see. Back-to-back Trunks.
Back Trunks.
It's okay, that's okay.
Could be worse. You know, could be back-to-back Hercule.
Yeah, but Hercule ain't a rare.
Oh, you just wait. He
Yes.
became an LR on Dokkan. He'll be a SPR soon.
Mafuba! And the Frieza.
And a disappointment.
I don't know if that Frieza is actually good.
I don't know, I haven't read it.
It's a neat draw.
Vegeta. Ooh, look. Down 2 more packs for you, 1 more pack for me, and a dash pack.
Alright, let's see, let's see. Money? Money, money? Can I make this box 3 for 3 on the SPRs?
God, I sure hope so, and then you can give me my Vegeta. I will laugh if you do pull it. Nope. I mean, it is a Vegito. Alright. Numo Goi Goi Fajita. Aww.
Oh.
What a disappointment.
Yeah, one left, one left. One left.
Numo Goi Goi Fajita.
Should I open it?
Oh, yeah, you're gonna open it.
Am I?
Yes.
I don't know, I could save it for next video.
No, you're fine.
Okay, let's open this.
I'm gonna save 1 pack. Ah, not a god pack. Look at that.
I had already pulled 2 SPRs. Spoiler alert for the videos before this. Oh, look at that. Cool.
Oh god, don't fall. I need you. Oh.
Boom!
Come on.
Yes! Yes! I needed 3, and I got 3.
Alright. Now, the dash packs.
Gotta get that Goku.
Yeah, get my money back. Oh god.
Ah.
Wah, wah, wah. It's not a bad card, I just didn't want it. Watch, you're gonna pull a Goku.
Nope.
Back to back.
We gotta get you. Ginyu.
Alright guys, that was 3 of 3. And next time when we get more boxes, we'll do more videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is a lot.
1.
1. I can't even see the
Look at that. Look at all these boxes.
And this
This is
one,
ridiculous.
this one I didn't really, care too much.
Look at that.
Oh god, Jesus!
No! Cards down!
No! Oh god.
Yep.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, consider subscribing for more content, and we'll be back with more next time.
See you.
Later.